maintain really good speed and you'll get better fuel economy. You want to be predictable. Ooh, I can feel the wind pushing the car. It's crazy. It's like it's wiggling back and forth. It's been really windy today. So I'm gonna go ahead and get over to the right lane. I try to stay as smooth as possible. The biggest drive I've done is like from Montreal back to the United States on the 401. That was pretty cool. Speed control's pretty nice. They have rest areas. A rest area is where you can basically rest for, you know, as long as you want. It's safe, it's secure. They have cameras there. You can get some food, charge your phone up. But also they can be kind of dangerous because you have really weird people kind of hanging out there. I'm serious. So I think I have some content early on. I'll try to find it and maybe I can get it up for you guys. But in 1 mile, the next one is 28 miles. My speed is good. I'm in a good flow. I almost want to go to the rest area to show you what it's like. But what I'll do when I swing back a day from now, I'll go to a rest area. I'll show you what it's like it is at night. I'm at a good pace. Now I see this car down here. I'm really looking ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and get over to the left lane. But you have a parking area for semi trucks and trailers, and you have a parking area for cars. And we know trucks are the leaders in logistics for basically the whole world. So they have designated areas for cars and trucks. I'm down to 292 miles fuel range. I'm at about 23 mpg, miles per gallon. Lifted my foot again, so I guess when you lift your foot, it gets this crazy reading on the computer, then it's got to recalculate. I do feel a lot better just talking to you guys, kind of bringing you along for the ride. And I'm going around this curve. If you look to the left, you'll end up in a ditch, but if you look around the curve and the flash and the reflectors, you're good. Here's another truck. I'm staying away from them. It's a nice colored truck though. And you need to tell your loved ones, hey, I'm leaving. I'll be there 5 hours from now, 6 hours from now. And unexpectedly, if you get tired, ill in a car, you got to pull over. That's happened to me a couple times, and it was not good. I think I had some bad food at a little restaurant. Next thing you know, I was puking my guts out near Indiana. So it was not healthy. My speed is good. I'm nice and smooth. I like how I'm driving. And you got to be honest with you. If you're tired, then that's when you've got to pull over and rest. Yeah, I'm a little inconsistent with my speed. First I go real fast and real slow, so it just means I'm getting a little bit tired again. Looking ahead around the curve. has some of the Celsius. I got the watermelon flavor. It's not too bad. Could have a lot of caffeine there or all natural. I've never had a Monster or energy drink. If you guys have, let me know in the comments. But I'm not really a big energy drink person at all. It just really jacks up my heart rate and I start sweating, and it's not really healthy for you. This is a really smooth open patch. And I see these trucks merging out, so I'm in the left lane. I'm not even gonna mess with all these people. Yep, there's that blinker on. They're coming out. 290 miles fuel range. I used to do some test driving for a company that I can't. Whoa, that's pretty dangerous with that car. That's crazy.